303, 304, copy weapons call 1712 West Spring Creek Parkway, Crusher Green Oaks Drive. It's a man with a gun or knife trying to get into their house. 86 for Sergeant, also copy. 10-3, copy. Copy. 1036, copy.
That's negative. It was last seen pulling into an apartment complex on Tennyson. We're trying to verify the location.
David 2, all advised.
Receive David 2. David 5 will shoot clear. For David 2, it looks like it's Legacy Village Apartments they pulled into.
David 2, copy. I'm closer.
34C.
I'm playing one contacted.
For David 2, the complainant has located the vehicle again inside the apartment complex. Trying to get a tag for you. All right, double check.
10-4, thank you.
Okay, I'll be in the back alley. Receive 2 Baker 12. All units, channel 1 is closed for weapons call. All main travel will be on channel 2. 36, go ahead and have her leave the location as well. Receive, she's already left. Shots fired. Receive 2 Baker 12, shots fired.
Or just verifying, are you out on David 2's narcotics call at the shop, or are you out on the disturbance at Preston Park?
Disturbance on Preston Park.
Or
306, repeat your last.
Hamlet 33's in service.
Inside the house.
Adam 1 rifle.
3-1, repeat your last.
Shots fired, 4 more shots. Well, priority. Two Baker 12. Suspect is down. I've got at least 8 gunshot victims inside the house. Suspect is down by officer-involved shooting.
2 Baker 12, a copy. 8 victims. FE is already en route. Channel 35, 2 Baker 12, is any officer injured?
Negative.
Copy 306, house secure.
I was asking if they had the house secured. I'm in the front.
I'm in the living room. Make entry through the front.
Coming in.
0416. 0416. 7 minutes out. Any questions?
No questions. I'll see you in 6 to 7.
Outstanding. There's 2 people involved in mine. They match the same description.
3 Baker 3, I copy. Possibility 1 outstanding victim. Subject.
2 David 13, did you copy?
David 13. Copy my phone.
Repeat your traffic. You are unreadable.
David 13, I copy. The scene's been cleared for SD.
Battalion 1, Medic 1, Medic 10, Medical Call Level 1, map page 2526 Charlie at 1712 West Spring Creek Parkway on Channel 3. Battalion 1, Medic 1, Medic 10.
That's affirmative. All units on this weapons call or shooting call can go inside per PD.
3 Baker 4, your radios cannot repeat. Omega 4, your last transmission cut out. Please repeat.
Charlie 45, we have a priority one. We need to take him.
Proceed. OT should be moving in now.
En route to the shooting call, the shooting stabbing on Spring Creek Parkway. At least 8 victims, 1 suspect shot. Med 1, Med 10, you're going to stage per engine 4.
Accidental.
Loading zone for Care Flight will be just east of Blue Ridge on Spring Creek.
Copy. They're wanting to know how many craft you want.
Heard from FD, they only had 3 boxes of keep them coming.
Copy, Sam 38. I need to know how many Care Flight aircraft start.
We're at 1 right now.
Proceed. 1 Care Flight.
And then engine 4 is requesting that 2 box units stage.
Rail 5th house down from Manor Lane. The male sitting in a Buick. It's been saying the location for 10 minutes.
Truck 4, did you have traffic?
We're on 3.
Where's it?
One en route, Med 2 en route, Med 10 en route. Affirmative. Care Flight is en route.
Battalion 1.
We're going to need to identify a landing zone for Care Flight. They're already in route.
At southeast corner of Custer and Spring Creek Work. So can you repeat?
Traffic. It's already been said. The witness says she knows the suspect and he possibly has a friend.
Copied. Witness on suspect. Possibly someone else involved.
Stand 36, we get a perimeter set on the house. Stand 38, what was that traffic about somebody being outstanding?
This is related to Earth.
I have a victim from a separate assault not too far away, and he's describing your suspect over there as matching the description. But here we had 2 suspects, so there's possible that one is outstanding, if it's related to yours.
I'm on scene. Is there any reason to deploy?
King 1 at this time. We may have an additional suspect. We cannot verify for sure.
Negative. K9's on the point right now. I'm looking now.
H12's north.
Truck 13 is going.
Units assigned at 5917 Stone Creek Drive. It's going to be the courtyard by Marriott, Suite 332, Box 454. Alarm is called in by a guest. Again, the suite number is 332. Not seeing any smoke or flames. Just keep going off in the one room.
Battalion 1 received.
Text them saying that their mom's drunk and driving in the car with them. They hit a curb and busted a tire, and they're supposed to be at this location now in a dark blue Audi SUV.
Engine 5's on scene. It's going to be a female that took pills.
Received.
Seeing the kid's phone and getting this location.
Robert 0454, 1300 block of North Alma.
3. Vehicle fire. Map page 2129 Bravo at Shiloh Road and East Plano Parkway on Channel 4. Engine 3.
Are you aware of the gunshot victims that are going to be en route to your location in about 5 minutes?
I've heard that I have 3 that's going to be inbound priority 1, but that's it.
She has no injuries and will not be transported.
Received. I'll wait for 2 victims then.
Report of specifics for each patient.
Received. Thank you.